Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Raj, and in this video I will show you how to create a shared tab in Safari on your iPhone. So shared tab group allows you to collaborate with friends or family member, and everyone in the group can add, remove or view tabs, and that makes it easier to plan trips, or you can use it for research projects. So to get started, first open Safari app on your iPhone. Now click on this tab icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Then first you need to create a tab group. You can click on this three dot icon at top right corner and then click on manage tab groups. Now just tap on new empty tab group and enter the name of the tab group. After that, click on save button, and after creating the tab group, just start searching with something and then click on this three dot icon at top right corner within the tab group, and here click on this share icon. Now you can use message app to share this link to any family member or friends, and after sending the link, the person need to join that group using that link, and once they join that, everyone can view and manage the share tab. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.